In this video, we'll explore Imix's enhanced Runaway feature. This feature works in addition to basic Runaway. If you're not sure on basic Runaway, please see our support documentation and basic Runaway video. Enhanced Runaway is an optional feature that allows varying degrees of automation to be applied in a runaway situation. We'll explore enhanced Runaway configuration and using this to enforce a standard operating procedure and perform alarm actions. Firstly, we need to enable Enhanced Runaway. To do this, visit the System tab, System Settings, Runaway, and tick Enhanced Runaway. With Enhanced Runaway comes a set of additional features. Ignore runaway alarms, see my end-to-end automation video for how to use this feature, and some default options. You can use these to enable Runaway on all alarms throughout Imix. Remember, Imix uses the specific over unspecific rule, meaning site configuration always takes precedence. You may, for example, want to have a specific human detection rule follow a less specific runaway rule. Next, like in basic Runaway, we need to navigate to Manage Devices and Alarms. With Enhanced Runaway on, we have a new feature to use. Click Add an Alarm. Note the addition of the new radio button. We can now link a runaway alarm response to a device or an alarm. To do this, select the device. Choose whether you want to raise an alarm for the start of the runaway or the end. In this case, we'll select Start. Link the alarm to an alarm point. If you want to apply the response action to all alarms for this device, just select Default. Set a priority. Now we have a number of options to help us manage this runaway situation. We can add a script. This allows us to define and enforce an operating procedure that the operator must follow in the event of a runaway. We can also add a response action to email the maintainer automatically when the point goes into runaway. They will receive an email with the site name, alarm name, and input. If you want to apply the same script to all started alarms, you can do so by going to the System tab, Event Type Configuration, find Runaway, and attach the script here. Let's take a look at the standard operating procedure. I'll trigger alarms to breach our runaway threshold and navigate to the event. We can see Imix has detected the runaway and asked us to complete the script. There's also an additional important feature that we now have available to us with Enhanced Runaway. Enhanced Runaway alarms have their own data type. That means you can easily report on your runaway alarms and track their duration. Remember, Imix will track the alarm for the entire duration that it's in runaway. And that sees us at the end of the first of 3 Enhanced Runaway videos. Check back for how to automate the isolation of runaway points and how to configure Imix to completely manage your runaway alarms fully automatically.